Welcome to another CraftiWorks tutorial. Today we're making a unique and creative heart design on a greeting card using the detached buttonhole stitch. This idea is perfect for a personalized card and can easily be done by anyone. I used my embroidery needle to poke holes along the outline of the heart. This will make the stitching process smooth and easy. Now, let's start stitching. I'm using embroidery floss threads for this project, and I began by stitching running stitches along the holes as a foundation. This helps secure the card for the next step. Next, I moved on to the detached buttonhole stitch, which is perfect for adding a 3D effect around the heart. I recommend using a tapestry needle for weaving stitches, since its blunt point is ideal for this type of work. This heart design makes a perfect gift idea for your loved ones. You can use it on a card, stitch it onto clothes, bags, or even to decorate other items around your home. It's such a versatile design. Along the way, I changed colors to create a lovely gradient effect, giving it an elegant, shaded look. There you have it. a beautifully stitched heart with a 3D effect. A perfect craft for any occasion. Be sure to try this design on more cards, clothes, or even fabric bags to add a personal touch to your projects.